Mago! It's all about having fun, Mago! It's all about having fun in this channel, Mago, Gplanasquad channel. Alright, it is I, Manong Jireh, back at it again with a brand new 10 reasons why something is cool, ladies and gentlemen. May bago na naman edisyon ng 10 reasons why something is cool. And ang topic natin ngayon is 10 reasons why Team Payaman Power is cool. Now, alam ko yung iisipin nyo, oh, Manong Jireh, you're milking it. Ay, ginagawa mo lang to sa views. Clout chase. Actually, lahat ng YouTubers and lahat tayo, we want views. We want likes. We want whatever. So, that's a thing. Hashtag papansin. Team Payaman x Gplanasquad collab. Make it happen. Make that shit happen, lad. Reason number 1 why Team Payaman is cool. More than 10 million subs combined. Like kung i-combine nyo lahat ng mga channels nila, actually hindi lang ata more than 10 million eh, baka more than 20 million eh. Basta more than, 20 million, 10 million subscribers pag kinombine lahat ng subscribers nila, and that's holy shit, talagang hatakan talaga pataas. Unlike sa classroom namin, hatakan pababa, pero oops, sorry.
Just call me angel.
Ang Team Payaman hatakan pataas. Pag may isang umangat, lahat aangat. So alone. Reason number 2, quality lahat ng content. Enough said, ladies and gentlemen, enough said. Their fans enjoy their content, and that's the bottom line. Reason number 3, there is a possibility that you will die of laughter if you watch their vids. Kahit sino man sa kanila, there's a possibility that you will die of laughter. Or kung malakas kayo, baka, magkaroon kayo ng abs kakatawa. Pero, let's be honest, wala sa atin ang malakas. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi si Wilson lang ang malakas.
Tangina, Wilson lang malakas, buddy. Wilson lang malakas.
Reason number 4, you will feel good after watching their video. Enough said. You're not gonna feel, kasi may mga videos kasi na I feel like puking after watching. May mga videos din na I feel sick watching, and their videos are none of that. You feel good after watching their videos, and that's the bottom line. Reason number 5, they help people in need. Nasaan yung evidence, Manong? That's the thing, walang evidence. Alam niyo kung bakit? Because they keep it a secret. Kinikip nila as a secret yung pagtutulong sa mga tao or whatever. Pero alam ko may nakita akong evidence na tumutulong sila sa mga tao, relief goods or whatever the fuck. Hindi ko alam kung kay V. Cortez to nakita. Basta in the background of her vlog, nagpapak sila ng relief goods. Basta hanapin nyo na lang yun, whatever. Tinatamad ako mag-edit ng marami. Reason number 6, this video. Enough said. Reason number 7, every member is cool. Enough said. Like they all have a shit ton of subscribers, and each member of Team Payaman loves everybody. That's importante yun sa pagiging YouTuber. You have to love everybody. Reason number 8, they are the inspiration para sa Gplanasquad. Like, we look up to them. Like, we wanna be like them. Like, yung camaraderie, ano bang word na yun? Basta yung brotherhood, sisterhood nila. Yung closeness nila sa isa't isa. Like, yung pagiging tropa-tropa nila. Kung squad kayo, dapat maging Team Payaman kayo. Parang Team Payaman, no? Pag squad kayo or whatever. And, parang role models namin sila. Being a squad or whatever. Reason number 9, they love everybody. They love the children. They love the children. They love the old people. They love sino pa? They love the animals. They love Wilson. They love their fans. They love everybody. Reason number 10. The fans are cool. Enough said, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, yung 10 reasons why Cong TV is cool and yung 10 reasons why Team Payaman is cool, ni-record ko yan ngayong araw. Parehong video. And my voice feels like shit. My throat feels like shit because of that. Note to self. Manong Jireh, kung pinapanood mo to, huwag ka mag-record ng 2 videos sa isang araw. You're gonna fuck up your throat. Anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Kung gusto nyo pa mag-suggest ng mga 10 reasons why something is cool, kung may mga topics kayo na gusto nyo gawan ko ng 10 reasons why something is cool, comment down below. Comment away. You can comment whatever you want. And that's the bottom line because Manong Jireh said so. Hashtag having fun, maggle. Shout out kay Sir Hotdog Alfelor. Kung tama man yung pronunciation. Shout out of the day ka. And mukhang mahaba kasi 22 minutes. Pero pag pinanood mo, parang 5 minutes lang. Hindi ko alam kung anong emoji yan. Hindi ko makita eh. Layo eh. Solid. Salamat sa comment, Sir Hotdog Alfelor. Yan. Sana tama yung pronunciation. Comment of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out sa'yo. Kung gusto nyo ma-feature sa comment of the day, comment lang kayo ng comment ng mga malulupit na gusto nyo i-comment. And pipiliin namin kung sino yung malupit na comment and yun yung i-feature namin sa mga comment of the day.